Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'll show you how to prepare a quick recipe that is going to be for your breakfast or a lunch, and this is very filling. So I'll prepare this chicken sausage paratha. We need ready to use parathas, chicken sausages, finely chopped onion, eggs, chili powder, salt, pepper powder and butter if required. We'll serve this with mint chutney. Now I've heated a tawa on medium flame. To the tawa I've placed the chicken sausages. We'll fry the chicken sausages for 2 minutes on each side. We'll add a few drops of oil and fry the chicken sausages. You can also use butter here. If you don't prefer to use store-bought Malabar or Lacha parathas, you can prepare it at home. I've posted a detailed recipe how to prepare that. Prepare those parathas ahead of time. At least prepare 2 to 3 parathas ahead of time and reserve it. Now you can see my chicken sausages are fried evenly. I've reserved it on a plate. Now in the same pan I'll fry the parathas both sides because this has to cook well. Once the paratha has cooked well, to one side I flipped it. Fry it on both sides till it's well cooked, because these store-bought parathas normally they don't cook well, so you have to cook it till it's nicely fried. So once it is cooked well, then flip it to the other side and crack and add an egg right on the paratha. You can also whisk an egg and add it, but I find this easier. So once I have added the egg on top of the paratha, immediately with a fork I spread it all over the paratha. And now I'll evenly sprinkle chili powder, pepper powder, salt, and we'll fry the paratha on both sides with little bit of oil till the egg has cooked well. This is a very nice and filling recipe, friends, especially for breakfast, or you can also serve it for lunch. And people who want to avoid outside food and they want to have home cooked food, prepare this ahead of time and you can eat it. It's very nice. You can also reheat it in the microwave. Now once the egg has cooked, I flipped it and then I placed my fried chicken sausages and topped it with some finely chopped onion and chilies, and I'll be serving it hot. We'll roll the paratha and serve it along with the mint chutney or garlic chutney. We can slice the paratha in half and serve it. So do try this recipe, friends. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with my detailed blog post and social media handle links will be listed in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.